It's one of the first tournaments we've been to since maybe 10 years now here as a club. So it's really good experience for some of the athletes that we brought along. A lot of the students, it's the first time out of Samoa and also competing in a foreign country. So we have a good mixture of kids under 11-year-olds, 6, 7. We also have juniors and as well as 4 national team members who will be preparing for Pacific Games in the end of the year. It's a different ball game. Being a coach, watching from the sidelines, and also, and also from being an athlete on that mat. So the two different things which I'm still learning a lot from. I've spent so many years as an athlete, but now I've transitioned into a coach. I've still got a lot to learn, but with a bit more time, I know we'll get there. We spent maybe 6 weeks in intense preparation for this, but even before that, we had tournaments, local tournaments, to help them prepare for this kind of atmosphere. So as far as funding goes, we fundraised ourselves. Also, we also had help with sponsorships, and we're really fortunate to have these sponsorships on board. It's fairly small sport in Samoa, but it's growing. It's getting more exposure, and every year I see more interest coming into it. So definitely a lot of talent for the sport. Just need them to be more open to different sort of sports. One of the sports that we really excel in is combat sports. So this is one of the combat sports that I know that a lot of the local talent will be good in. Obviously, we always want to see medals, but we need to be realistic as well. A lot of the students have not competed overseas, and this is their first time, a lot of them leaving the country. So for this, it's a lot of experience gained, a lot of exposure. We're not only looking to this one, but we're looking towards Pacific Games and the other events coming up. A lot of them are young, a lot of them are up and coming. The gold medal is a big bonus. The gold medal is a big bonus, but the exposure and the experience these guys get from this is priceless.